Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. Good news, today we're going to get two videos for the price of one. That's right, 2 for 1. We're going to change the air filters on this 2017 Honda Accord. That means we're going to change both the engine filter, which you should do for fuel economy, and the air cabin filter, which you should do so you have clean, fresh air. And luckily, both of these things are something that even I can do. All right, our first step is to release the hood latch. So there's two of those. The first one is in the inside compartment, and it is down here near the floor. And you're going to pull that forward. You'll hear it click. For the secondary latch, you're going to look at the H in the front of your car, go up, and then slightly to the right and reach underneath. You should feel a lever there. You just move that up a little bit and then lift. So unfortunately, this model of Honda Accord does not have hydraulics to hold open the hood. So you'll use a prop here that you're going to plug into the hood just like that, and that will keep the hood open while you work on changing your filter. All right, we're going to take care of the engine compartment filter first. So that's located just behind the battery, and it's inside this plastic housing, and there's just let's see, 3 clamps that we need to release, and then it just lifts off. Okay, so let's release those. And then this, we're just going to lift up slightly and pull it forward in this direction so that it frees from the two housing slots. So then that just lifts up like that, and we can grab our filter and we'll replace it. All right, so we're going to use a Fram replacement here. This is for this 2017 Honda Accord. It's a 11476. So you pull that out and you can see much cleaner, same size, same shape. So we're going to get rid of that one. We'll lift up our casing. This thing can only go in one way because of the shape, so just line it up, square peg into a square hole, or in this case, I don't know, what is that, more of some sort of trapezoid. And we're going to drop that in there and lower our housing. Now again, with the housing, we need to sort of slide it into these grooves back here. So we'll slide that back accordingly. Kind of snaps into place. Once we're there, we just reattach our clamps. 1, 2, and 3, and you got yourself a change filter. All right, we're ready to change our cabin filter at this point, and the first thing we need to do is open the glove box. And I just got to say, this is probably going to be the most difficult part of the project for me, because my wife drives this car, so the glove box is, sunglasses, roller, more sunglasses, umbrella, brush, another pair of sunglasses. How many eyes does this woman have? Jeez. More stuff, makeup of course. All right, you get the idea. So get that stuff out of there. All right, next thing, we got to lower the glove box further. So first of all, there's a lever on the right hand side, just like a latch. Just gonna have to push that down and snap that out of position. Okay, and then the glove box itself is held in by pressure, so you're just gonna squeeze it in a little bit and pull it away from the mountings. All right, then you're gonna reach inside and you'll see another plastic covering. It has 2 latches on either side. Push those in towards each other, pull those out, and there you have it. All right, the next, we're just going to pull the filter out. So there it is. Now, as you do that, if you want to save a little bit of time, you can look how it's orientated, and you'll see on the side of the filter an arrow which points down. That tells you that's the direction of the airflow. So when we put our new filter in, we want that arrow to go down, and we want our filter lined up the same way. All right, so here's our new filter, and there's our arrows. So we're just going to push it and slide it into the same slot. Okay, so the filter is back in. Now we'll replace our covering. That just pushes on there and snaps into place, and you're pretty much done. We just got to put our glove box back together. So we'll tilt that up. We'll move our arm back into position and snap it into place. You'll hear it snap. And then again, you'll need to push the sides of the glove box together to get it in there. Doesn't take much, and there you go. Put all your stuff back in, you know, your makeup, your pens, zip fizz, all kinds of stuff that you need to have in your car at all times for safety reasons, I'm sure. Okay, that's it. All right, I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope it saves you money in the future. It just drives me insane when I go to a service place and they want to charge to fix the simplest things that I could do in 5 minutes. And this is one of those things. So I hope you learned something, and you share this video with your friends and kids and whoever. Please like, please subscribe. It helps the channel tremendously. We really appreciate it. Use those affiliate links below. And until next time, this has been Steve for Things That Even I Can Do. And if I can do it, so can you.